Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Each country has its own traditions and they become more apparent during celebrations or holidays like Easter. When it comes to sweets, Russia enjoys Paçoca, while in the Arabic countries mahamul is eaten, or the United Kingdom savors their hot crust buns. In Brazil, they like this candy during Easter. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my version of Paçoca. This is a great sweet treat. The combination of peanuts, sugar, and other ingredients make this a tasty and easy recipe. With a few ingredients, you've got yourself quite an amazing candy. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a 9x9 baking dish, we'll line wax paper and set aside for now. Next, in a bowl of a food processor, we'll add dry roasted peanuts and graham crackers. We'll pulse the ingredients until they are barely combined. The next ingredient we'll add is vanilla sugar, which I posted last year in October. So to view it, click on the top right corner of your screen. So we'll quickly process for 10 seconds before pouring in a whole can of sweetened condensed milk. We'll process once again until the mixture has the consistency of dough. And trust me, it won't take that long. During the process, if we want to, we'll add a small pinch of ground sea salt. Next, we'll transfer the mixture into the prepared baking dish. Now, using our clean hands, we'll compact the mixture at first, and then use a small measuring cup or something similar to smooth and level it out, making sure to go all the way along the edges. When we're done with this, we'll cover and transfer to the fridge at least 4 hours or overnight. The next day, we'll take it out of the fridge and lift it out by pulling up on the waxed paper. Then we'll remove it and discard it. So now, it's up to you how big you want to cut your Paçoca. I like mine about 1.5 inches square. And my friends, this is how Paçoca. This is such an easy recipe with only 5 ingredients. The combination will remind you of other sweet treats you can buy at the store. This candy is very popular in Brazil, and after you try it, I'm sure you'll like it too. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit.